Mark Chilero, the owner of MS Classic Cars. Today I have the pleasure of presenting you an absolutely stunning 1972 Dodge Charger. This car is equipped with a 440 Magnum V8. It is an absolutely spectacular show quality piece. The outside body is super straight, beautiful paint, beautiful interior, highly detailed engine compartment. The undercarriage is also highly detailed, painted the same color as the body. Just an absolutely magnificent piece that you got to check out on our website. Complete description, tons of photos, msclassiccars.com. I'm going to go ahead and start the car, let you listen to how beautiful it runs.